watching the CNBC Tv18 ICICI Bank Emerging India Awards special. Our next entrepreneur is steering forward the Mumbai-based multi-divisional textile business of Mandhana Industries. He recently closed a successful IPO, raising over 100 crore rupees to fund expansion plans. Priyal Guliani spins together the story of Mandhana Industries and Manish Mandhana. The Mandhana family has been part of the textile industry in India for the last 3 decades. They were the pioneers in dhoti trading. But today Mandhana Industries is a one-stop shop vertically integrated with the entire chain of activities including yarn making, dyeing, weaving, processing, designing and garment manufacturing. Mandhana Industries has been growing at a CAGR of 38% for the last 5 years and has recorded a turnover of 625 crores in the last fiscal. Of the entire production, 70% is consumed in the domestic market and the rest exported to Europe. Leading international and national brands are Mandhana's clients, including French Connection, Armani Jeans, Max Mara and Levi's.
Well, Manish, thank you so much for joining us in Emerging India. Let me start. 2010 is 1 year which you will be, probably marking in your entire journey. You've been listed in this year. Any thoughts about the journey so far from 2002? Give us a little sense about it.
Well, it's been a wonderful journey since you said that I'm the 3rd generation in this business. I've been personally into the business for the last 20 years. We've seen the company grow from trading operations to a yarn manufacturing company to a yarn dyeing organization, and today we are present across the entire value chain of the business, giving solutions to our customers. We are a one-stop shop for all our clients, giving them design solutions till the end product. So basically it's been a great journey. Of course, we've been through so far with all the support of our suppliers, our customers, our employees, our bankers, and everybody associated with us.
You said you're a one-stop solution, but as far as branding is concerned, Manish, give us a sense that do you have a proportion of your, garments, so as to say, as your own brands, or it is mostly, for your clients or suppliers that you're supplying to? Would you be, if at all it is not there till now, would you be looking at a certain push in terms of Mandhana brand, so to say?
We've been through the whole grind and knowledge of making a garment right from the yarn. We've got the entire integration in our organization right from the first stage of inception of design till the finished product. It makes us definitely wonder and be sure that why can't we do it. And obviously going forward we would be going through a brand creation of our own, which we would want to see on the retail racks.
Textile is something which is a very integral part of, Indian economy. It's one of the most, prolific sectors in terms of export businesses. Various success stories are built around it. If I were to ask you, what is it that you are doing different as, in comparison to your peers, what would you have to say on that?
Being a vertical setup, having a vertical integration within the organization, right from yarn dyeing to weaving to processing of fabrics to manufacturing of garments, added with a design element, has really made us stand out, and we've got a lot of respect amongst our customers because of that. Sales that we do as a manufacturing company is coming out of our own creations. That's what is our strength.
Like most textile players, Mandhana Industries was also impacted by the financial crisis. Growth slowed down to about 18% in FY8, and the savior, the company says, was its focus on Europe and not the US. In fact, Mandhana's plans to tap the capital markets were also derailed by the crisis. The company sought SEBI approval for an IPO in 2007-2008, but finally managed to list in May this year, with its issue being oversubscribed 7 times.
How did this idea, or how did this thought of let's go ahead and list the company come about?
Once you are a listed entity, the credibility of your organization is more eminent. Obviously you enjoy a better visibility. The opportunities are much more easier to grab and in cash. Obviously being listed also gives the employees of the organization a lot of pride, So all these factors really help. We were very sure about our success purely because of whatever we did in the past couple of decades into our business. We had total support from our customers and everybody associated with us to go for this, and we consciously took this call purely for expanding our operations and thinking big.
How are you handling the European crisis? As you said that your concentration has been in the European markets. What are the challenges right now that you have to sort of face?
Right now we feel the biggest challenge in Europe is to conquer the speed. Business is not a problem for an organization like us. We have been flooded with offers from big groups across Europe to work with them purely because we are an integrated company, and in the times of short supply and crisis, companies like us who are integrated are definitely in a better situation. So right now it's our time to pick and choose.
If you were to give us a sense of the future plans of Mandhana Industries, where do you see it in the next coming 5 to 10 years?
The first and foremost thing is to reach the 1,000 crore mark, which would be very soon. It's not looking so far. Apart from, I would say by middle of next year. I mean, the next year this year if we close at 800, next year definitely with our plants coming up and everything, we should touch that mark without any doubt. Apart from that, we definitely want to be a very important and a respectable textile and apparel company in the country with perfect CSR practices. We want to be employee friendly, we want to be customer friendly.
Well, thank you Manish so much for joining us at Emerging India and taking us through the journey so far for your company.
Thank you so much.
Well, Shireen, so that was the story of Mandhana Industries hoping of reaching 1,000 crore turnover figure by next fiscal itself. So clearly something to watch out for.
Well, Manish is wishing you the very best of luck. With that, it's time for us to wrap up this special show. But do catch us next week as we bring you 3 more inspirational SME success stories. From all of us here, goodbye and thanks for watching.